so happy for Daisy. Like, she looks fantastic. This is just really, really a great day for all of us.
Imagine leaving about 6-year-old kid outside in a treehouse.
He's shy, I think is what we realized. I mean, we couldn't even get her out of the kitchen when we first got her. If there was a lot of people or like festivals, she's not about it.
It's really sad that there are people who don't treat their dogs as a part of their family.
She has fully opened her personality to us. You have the patience with them. You don't know what they went through. It's this, how cute!
We're very happy. I mean, we lucked into a great dog with a great personality and great demeanor. She's become a great part of the family.